following message is broadcasted at the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency. This broadcast affects the entirety of the state of New York. A meltdown of the 9 Mile Point and Fitzpatrick nuclear power plants is ongoing at this time. Residents who are within a 75-mile radius of the power plant have been ordered to seek shelter immediately. Grab any essentials you can and find immediate shelter. Make sure to seal any entrances to the outside to prevent any radioactive materials from entering your shelter. Residents not within a 75-mile radius are ordered to evacuate immediately. Grab anything that you need and leave your place of residence immediately. You have very little time remaining, and time is of the essence. Do not panic, as it will only make the situation worse for yourself and everyone around you. Please stand by for further messages from state authorities.